Okay, so let's start today class. What we have discussed in the previous class. In the previous class, we have already discussed the relation between the trigonometric Fourier series coefficient and exponential Fourier series coefficient. Okay, or either maybe exponential Fourier series coefficient to trigonometric Fourier series coefficient. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss about the Fourier series representation using the symmetry of the signal. Fourier series representation using the symmetry of the signal. So just first of all, share the screen, and then we will continue our discussion. Okay. Today we are going to discuss Fourier series representation using the symmetry of the signal. So I have already some waveform from here, and just explain this waveform of their various type of symmetry. Okay. So what is the condition of different type of symmetry, even symmetry, odd symmetry, and half wave symmetry? Okay. These are the various type of symmetry, either maybe signal in even symmetry, odd symmetry, or half wave symmetry. Okay. So if you know the symmetry of the waveform, then you are comfortably find the Fourier series representation. That means in trigonometric form, we already discussed their Fourier series representation in trigonometric form. That means A0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t in the previous class. So in the conventional method, you have to find all the coefficient terms. That means A0, an, bn, and then put on the standard formula. Then you will get the Fourier series representation. But if you know the symmetry of the waveform, then you are able to reduce your calculation or representation of Fourier series. Fourier series. That means if any signal satisfy the even symmetry condition. Okay. So if any, what is the condition for even symmetry? Just try to write first of all condition of the symmetry. Okay. So condition of symmetry. Okay. Symmetry. So the first condition is your suppose that any waveform you follow the even symmetry. The even symmetry condition. So even symmetry. Okay. So any signal is said to be even symmetry if xt equal to x minus t. Okay. If xt equal to x minus t. Any signal is said to be even symmetry if xt equal to x minus t. Okay. Xt equal to x minus t. So just write the condition of even symmetry. said to be even symmetry if xt equal to x minus t. So write down xt equal to x minus t. Minus t. So this is the condition for the even symmetry. If any waveform follow this condition, that means xt equal to x minus t, then that waveform is known to be even symmetry. Okay. And second one, odd symmetry. Odd symmetry. Okay. Any signal is said to be even odd symmetry. Any signal is said to be odd symmetry odd symmetry if xt equal to x minus t. Okay. If xt equal to x minus t. xt equal to minus of x minus t. X minus t. Okay. Third one is your half wave symmetry. Okay. Half wave symmetry. So any signal is said to be half wave symmetry. Signal is said to be half wave symmetry. Half wave symmetry if xt equal to minus xt minus t by 2. Okay. So xt xt equal to minus of xt minus t by 2. T minus t by 2. By 2. So here some waveform is shown here. That means even symmetry, odd symmetry, and half wave symmetry. Okay. That means if you consider, how you can say that x t equal to x minus t. That means even symmetry. Okay. So if you consider the half wave for up to this one, xt 0 to t, that means xt is equal to x minus t. Okay. This one is your minus t, so it's equal to the x minus t. So it is said to be even symmetry. Is it not? So x satisfy the condition of the even symmetry, that means xt equal to x minus t. So this waveform is said to be an even symmetry. Suppose that if you consider second waveform, that means this one. Okay. So x t equal to minus of xt. Okay, so suppose that this one is your xt, this one is your xt, and if you consider this one x minus t, so x minus t is your this one. Okay, if you either take the mirror image of this half signal, that means up to 0 to this one. So this figure will look like this. If you take the mirror image, that means this to this, you know, and take the reverse of that one, or reverse of that one, that means x minus t. So this one is your x minus t, and if you revert this signal, then it will become minus x minus t. Okay, so that's why it is known as the odd symmetry. Okay, so if you consider odd symmetry, that means satisfy this signal, take the mirror image and reverse. Okay, so x t equal to x minus t. Now, if you consider that this third figure, that means half wave symmetry. Okay, so half wave symmetry, if you shift it by the half time period and take the reverse, then it will be synchronized with the original signal. Okay, so if you shift the signal for this half wave signal from this to this, it means it becomes like this one. Okay, below the image. And if you take the reverse, shift and reverse, then it will becomes the original one. Okay, then it will becomes an original one. So this is the condition of the half wave symmetry. Is not. So all the odd harmony, odd symmetry is half wave symmetry. Is it not? All the odd symmetry waveform is not follow the half wave symmetry. Okay. So if you consider this waveform, if you take the shifted half waveform and take the reverse, that means if you shifted this half wave and shifted from this point to this point, so it becomes this one, and take the reverse, so overlap on this waveform. Okay, so this figure number 1 is your even and half wave symmetry. Follow the condition of even and half wave symmetry. But this figure, if you consider the second figure, that does not follow the odd symmetry as well as the half wave symmetry. Since if you take the this waveform, reverse, shifted and reverse. Okay, so if you shifted this half wave, so this one will becomes look like this one, and takes the reverse, then it will be becomes this way to this way. Okay, so it is not be synchronized with the original signal. So this is purely even odd symmetry. This one is not follow the odd and half wave symmetry. Okay, so if any signal has the pure symmetry, okay, if any signal has a pure symmetry, then even pure even symmetry. Suppose that this figure is only pure even symmetry, because this one, if you follow the condition of xt equal to x minus t, okay, so this is your xt from this to this, and if you take x minus t, so this one overlap on this one, so this is your even symmetry, and check it if follow the half wave symmetry or not. So if you shifted the half wave form and take the reverse, then it will becomes this one shifted to half wave, and take the reverse will look like this one. Okay, so this is not follow the condition of half wave symmetry. What is the condition of half wave symmetry? That means shift it half wave and take the reverse, so that this signal is synchronized with the original signal. But this is not to follow the odd symmetry waveform. So this one is pure even symmetry. Okay, so you just conclude here, if any signal, okay, if any signal has pure event symmetry, okay, so we consider here, that means Fourier series representation. So Fourier series representation is okay. That means one, if pure event symmetry, that means pure event symmetry symmetry it is only consist of event symmetry of the terms. So we already represent their Fourier series representation in trigonometry form A0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. Okay. So in event symmetry, pure event symmetry, so consist all the event symmetry terms. That means event symmetry, which one is event symmetry function? That means cosine terms. Okay, cosine is your event symmetry terms. So only present in cosine terms, all the components, that all the frequency component, that means constant term also. So consist of, it is only consist of event symmetric term. It is only consist of event symmetric terms, event symmetric terms, symmetric terms, that means cos 0 omega naught t, that means cos 0 omega naught t is your 1. So this one is your constant term, that means a0. Okay, so it consists of cos 0 omega naught t cos 0 omega naught t omega naught t cos omega naught t cos omega naught t cos 2 omega naught t cos 2 omega naught t omega naught t and cos 3 omega naught t and so on, cos 3 omega naught t omega naught t and so on. Okay. Second one, if pure odd symmetry. Okay. Pure odd symmetry it consists of sign terms or frequency component of these sign terms. That means sign 0 is 0. So not present here any constant term. Only all the terms are cosine terms. I think cos omega 0 naught t, sorry, sin omega 0 naught t, sin 2 omega naught t, sin 3 omega naught t. Okay. So it consists of all sign component. Consist of consist of all the sign component. That means if you put sin 0, that is 0. So started from sin omega naught t, sin 2 omega naught t, sin 3 omega naught t, and so on. Not. So sin omega naught t sin 2 omega naught t omega naught t sin 3 omega naught t sin 3 omega naught t and so on. Okay. Omega naught t and so on. Okay. So the second term, the second waveform of this figure, that means this one is purely odd symmetry. Okay, it does not follow the half wave symmetry. So present all these sign components, that means sin omega naught t, sin 2 omega naught t, sin 3 omega naught t, and so on. If you check the figure number 1 waveform, then it follows both the even and odd symmetry. Okay, so even and odd symmetry. Figure number 1 is your even and odd symmetry. So it follows the cosine terms, but odd harmonic because it also follow the half wave symmetry. Okay, so cosine term due to the even symmetry, and it also follow the half wave symmetry. That's why it is only present the even odd harmonic. That means cos omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t, and so on. Okay, so next one, if even and odd symmetry follow both the condition, that is figure number 1, even and odd symmetry, both symmetry follow anyway for, then in Fourier series only present the cosine terms of the odd harmonic. Okay, so cos omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, and cos 5 omega naught t, and so on. Okay, so odd symmetry. Okay. Symmetry. So it consists of of even symmetry of odd harmonic. Okay, even symmetry of odd harmonic are present here. Odd harmonic. Oops. Okay. And odd harmonic terms present here. That means for figure number 1, it follow both the symmetry even as well as the odd symmetry. Okay. So it consists of cos omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t, and so on. Right here. Cos omega naught t, cos omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t, and so on. Cos 3 omega naught t, omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t, and so on. So the first waveform is follow the both the symmetry even as well as the odd symmetry. So only consists of this term. That means cos omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t, and so on. Okay. If any waveform follow the odd and half, sorry, this one even and half wave symmetry. Even and half wave symmetry. Okay. So consists this one. If any signal follow both the odd and half wave symmetry, then present the even symmetry terms of odd harmonic. Okay, that means even symmetry. That means sorry, even that means even symmetry. And what is the odd symmetry term? So that means sign terms. Okay, so when follow the odd and half wave symmetry, that means only present the sign terms of odd harmonic. Okay, so next one, if odd and half wave symmetry, odd and half wave symmetry, half wave symmetry. Okay, then it consists of odd symmetry of odd harmonic terms. Okay, so it consists of consist of odd symmetry of odd harmonic terms. Odd harmonic, odd symmetry of odd harmonic terms present. Symmetry of odd harmonics are present. Odd harmonics terms are present. Okay. That means sin omega naught t sin 3 omega naught t and sin 5 omega naught t and so on. Okay. So just here. Sin omega naught t sin 3 omega naught t omega naught t sin 5 omega naught t 5 omega naught t and so on. Okay. So you may be read by this figure. That means this one is your even harmonic, even symmetry as well as the odd half wave symmetry. Even as well as half wave symmetry. So it consists only cosine terms of odd harmonic. Okay, that means cos omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, cos 5 omega naught t. For this waveform, figure waveform number 1. Okay, this one is pure odd symmetry. So this one consists of all sine terms. That means sine omega naught t, sine 2 omega naught t, sine 3 omega naught t, and so on. And this one is your odd and half wave symmetry. Okay, this one is your odd and half wave. Half wave for that means if you shift this one, this half wave form and take the revert, that is condition of the half wave symmetry. And for the odd symmetry, so if you take the mirror image of this waveform, that means this one, and take the revert of that, that means follow this path. Okay, so this waveform is follow both the odd symmetry as well as the half wave symmetry. So present here sine terms of odd harmonic. Okay, that means sine omega naught t, sine 2 omega naught t, sorry, sine omega naught t, sine 3 omega naught t, and sine 5 omega naught t. And if you consider this figure, figure number 4, so this one is pure even symmetry. Okay, it does not follow the half wave symmetry. If you take the half wave of this waveform, that means x minus t. So it will become this one. This one is your even symmetry. And now if you check this one is follow the half wave or not, half wave symmetry or not. So shift this half wave, that means started from this one to this one, and take the reverse, that means these paths. So does not follow the half wave symmetry. Okay, take the reverse of this one, then does not follow the half wave symmetry. So this one is known as pure event symmetry. So in this Fourier series representation of this waveform is consist all event symmetry terms. That means started from zero. That means this cos zero is actually known as the constant term. That means we say that in any waveform follow the event symmetry only, then all the cosine terms including zero are present. That means cosine terms of zero is known as the 1, that value is equal to 1. So we may say that the constant term is also present in pure event waveform. Okay, since the constant term is a0, that means a0 equal to 1 here, is it not? So you can verify any signal based on these three symmetry, either event symmetry, odd symmetry, or half wave symmetry. So you maybe keep in your mind that is what is the condition of event symmetry, odd symmetry, and half wave symmetry. How you can check any given waveform is follow some specific symmetry or not. Okay, according to that you maybe represent their Fourier series representation. So few example I have considered here. That means these 4 example. So one is your pure event symmetry, another is your even and odd half wave symmetry. Okay, and this one is your for pure odd symmetry, and this one is your follow the half wave as well as the odd symmetry. Okay, so you maybe practice some problem based on the symmetry of the Fourier series representation. Okay. So this condition is very important. If you follow this condition, then you may be directly uh, find out their Fourier series representation of a given any waveform. You do not go to the conventional method and find out all the coefficient terms and represent there. Okay, that means you remember some condition. That means if any waveform is follow the pure symmetry condition. Okay, if any waveform follow the pure or only say that only event symmetry, then you have to conclude that Bn, coefficient of Bn, that means Bn is 0 and An, A0 and An are present, that means constant term and cosine terms are present. This cos 0 omega naught t represent here constant term. Okay, and all these are the event symmetric function. So cos 0 omega naught t, cos omega naught t, cos 2 omega naught t, cos 3 omega naught t, and so on. Okay, so directly you can write if you observe what the symmetry follow of your given problem or given waveform. Okay, so this is a very important property of the Fourier series representation. Okay, so you just try to keep in your mind these 3 conditions only. Okay, then any waveform follow either pure event symmetry or maybe even or half wave symmetry, pure odd symmetry, or maybe follow the odd symmetry as well as the half symmetry. Okay, so you just concentrate about if both follow, that means even and half, odd and half, then you just only concentrate if both are follow then cosine terms present in the even and odd symmetry of the odd harmonic, and if follow even odd and half, then sine terms of the odd harmonic are present. Okay, so you will practice some problem or waveform uh, for this representation of the Fourier series. Okay, so just we stop here, and in the next class we will discuss another things. Okay, so just okay, fine. So now just we stop here.